Hi guys, this is Sonic Dynasty and today I'm going to make a review on the website renderforest.com. This is actually a pretty neat website where you can create a lot of videos. For example, if you want to make a video for YouTube, you have the option right here. You can create animations, professional slideshows, or music visualizations. You can do it right here. To be honest, this website has pretty much everything you need from video perspective. So let's say for today I'm gonna create an intro for my YouTube channel. So just press this one, videos for YouTube, and you just press create, and you actually go right into it. You now need to select video template for your intro. So you actually have a lot of options over here, quite a lot of options actually, but let's stick with this one. This one I like it because it's simple, it's easy, and yeah, let's actually select this one. 7 seconds, the duration of the intro, which is very good. And yeah, you just press create now. Let's just wait a bit. You just need to add your logo here. So I'm gonna use my Sony Dynasty logo. I'm gonna browse it for my computer. So yeah, I'm gonna use a PNG because I don't want any white background behind my logo. So you have this. You select your logo. You press confirm, and you have it just here. You have the option to add a line of text. Let's go with Sony. And yeah, save and close, and yeah, that's it. You select the style that you want. I think the third one looks the best. Select the third one. You can select colors. I think I'm gonna stick with the basic one, but you have pretty much a lot of options what colors you like. I'm gonna select with the basic ones. Then you have the option to select music for your intro, which is pretty great. You actually could upload a voice cover that you made previously, but since I don't have one, I'm gonna use one of the songs which are actually copyright free, so you can use them without any fear from being charged of copyright or you know what. And yeah, let's select the first one. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the first one, and now I'm gonna just press preview, and yeah, you're actually done. You can actually buy the video in high quality, or free preview it, which I actually recommend before you actually buy it, because if you did, I don't know, if you don't like it or if you did a mistake, you can always go back and create the video again and again. So let's press this one, free preview it. And yeah, now basically the video is creating. The website will create your video, and you are pretty much done. So until the video is made, you can actually leave the browser and leave the website. The video will be done, and you get notified on your email when the video is finished. So how you can see, the video is loading pretty fast. It will be done in about few seconds, 60%. You can see here what other people did previously. Ooh, this is pretty nice actually, but yeah, now the song is rendering and we're actually done. So now let's actually check out our video. Really nice, really nice. And now you have the option to, share it, publish it on your social media, on your YouTube, or you can download it at 360p with the watermark inside. The thing is, if you don't want the watermark, you can remove it, and yeah, you can basically have the video at 360p by paying $9.99, or 720p by paying $19.99, or 180p by paying $29.99. This is actually a very good deal for such a high quality video, to be honest. And you have all the options here. If you have a coupon code or a promo code, you can add it here, and yeah, basically that's it. Now you have a video for your YouTube channel. You can check the website, guys, and tell me what you think. I really like them, and they actually have a lot of options that you can choose from. That's why I actually like them. But yeah, just leave your comments below and check these guys out. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day.